Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Drelo Bebe, here in San Francisco, hashtag best city ever, doing the review on Grand Hyatt SFO. Now, if you haven't seen the reviews that I've done for New York City hotels, I recommend you do that right now. Go right now to my channel and check those out. But you know I had to bring it back home, home sweet home, Bay Area. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we are here at the Grand Hyatt SFO, San Francisco International Airport. For those of you who don't know, yes, you heard correctly, this hotel is located at SFO. Now, there are a few ways to get into this hotel. You can go straight directly from the airport to the hotel by riding an air train. You can drive into the airport and have valet parking, which you saw in the previous screen of how much it costs, or you could just wobble your way in for free. Okay, all jokes aside, now if you are landing in SFO and you're wondering how to get to the Grand Hyatt Hotel in SFO, you're going to want to follow these signs and follow the sign that says International, because that's where the hotel is located. Mind you, this hotel was built in 2019 towards the end, so right before the pandemic, so the hotel is fairly new. And this is obvious, but it's very convenient for those of you traveling into SFO because it's located at the airport. So it doesn't matter which terminal you land in because they're all pretty much connected, and you're just trying to find the sign that says AirTrain and follow it all the way to International. Now, since you are coming in from an airport, it does not matter if you are vaccinated or not. You have to keep your mask on at all times, as there is a mask mandate. And the same applies for the hotel as well. You need to keep your mask on at all times, especially areas that you share, the lobby, the gym, and restaurants. Now, for those of you who don't know, this Grand Hyatt SFO is actually a Category 5, which means it is a pretty luxurious hotel. Now, for those of you who are wondering, how much is this going to cost me? Well, for the most basic standard room, it can range from anywhere from $280 to about $500 and up. Don't worry, y'all, I will show you guys the room tour in a few once we get on this air train and we get things moving. I promise you guys, I'm gonna show you my room. Yay! Alright, we finally made it. So this is where you're gonna board the air train. If you look right here on the sign, it shows you the stops that it makes. Now, it'll take 2 stops for you to get to the Grand Hyatt SFO. As you can see, first it'll stop at the Garage A, then it'll stop at the hotel. Now, for those of you who are wondering, where do I get my tickets to get on this air train? Well, let me tell you, no tickets are required. This air train is completely free. Yes, you heard it correctly, y'all. Free. F-R-E-E. You can hop on, hop off whenever you'd like. So please enjoy the ride. To save you guys some time, I have fast forwarded this video so that we can get through it a little faster, but I will tell you the ride was really short. So now this is our first stop, Garage A, and then we get off at the second stop, which will take you straight to the hotel, and it's a really short ride. See, we're already here. Alright, y'all, we finally made it. Here we are at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in SFO. Okay, so as soon as you get off of the air train, you come down the escalator and you will see this area right here that says Grand Hyatt. Now, they have a desk over here, but this is not your lobby. This is just kind of like a welcoming area. And you will go right in through these doors. And this is your front desk. Now, already you guys can see the layout and see how everything is put together. It is definitely a good look. So after you check in and do what you gotta do, their lobby area is super cute. They have a fireplace that they light up at night, and next to this area they also have a bar. and their bar is called the Twin Crafts Bar. It wasn't open during the time that I was filming, but if you want to grab drinks later on in the night, you can go ahead and do so. They also have these face mask signs up, so you need to keep your mask on at all times. They have these beautiful big pane glass windows where you can see the view is spectacular. And right next to that, they also have a restaurant downstairs, and I'll show you more of the restaurant later, which is called Quail and Crane. And their breakfast is open from 6 a.m. to 11, and their dinner is from 5 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Now, right behind the bar is Twin Crafts Market. This market carries coffee, wine, snacks, even souvenirs, and most importantly, they even carry San Francisco's famous Ghirardelli chocolate as well. This marketplace is 24 hours, so if there's anything that you need, you can always come downstairs to grab something. Now for the moment that you've all been waiting for, room tours! Now right behind the marketplace are the 4 sets of elevators. Any one of these will take you to your room. And since we still are in a pandemic, they have these footprints to remind us that each elevator's maximum capacity is 4. And of course to social distance as well. And as you can see, they have an area where you can place your card so that you can push your floor level. I am on the 9th floor this time. My room number was 919, and pretty much it was just a very basic room. You can choose from either a king bed or a queen. I went with the queen, and it ranges from anywhere from $290 to about $500 and up. Alright y'all, here comes the best part, the room tours! So you have this long beautiful hallway, lots and lots of space to put your bags. And then you have this gorgeous bathroom, and then I'm going to show you the shower a little closer. You got your rainwater bath, and then you also have your shower head, and it comes with the shampoo, conditioner, and soap. And there you see the water. I didn't turn the water all the way on, so it's just very lightly on, but it does have a lot more pressure than that. And then you have your toilet, and then your sink, and now all these little goodies that you can use, or if you forgot anything, they pretty much have everything that you need. So they are just one call away. And I'll include the paper of things that you can request if you forgot anything. But hold up, do you guys see this, y'all? This is the shoe assistant stick. I don't know the proper name for it, but you know, the things that help you put your shoes on? Golly, they thought of everything, y'all. Oh, and here's that paper. You can request anything on here, and they are so fast. Hands down, one of the best services ever. Need I say anything more? Because I know you guys can see that tub. Yes, that tub was magnificent. You got your robe hanging right beside you. Let me show you the privacy. So it's a sliding door. You go ahead and slide right here, and then you got that whole beautiful bathroom to yourself. Okay, on to the next. Let me show you the closet space. So you open that bad boy up, and you have all that space right there. You put your luggage up on there if you want. You got some more robes, some slippers at the top, your ironing board as well as your iron. And they got your little yoga foams that you can use for exercise. They pretty much thought of everything, y'all. And then moving on, you got your recycle and your trash, and then there's another space for you to put down your luggage. You have the TV, and then let's move over here to what we have. We have some goodies. You can go ahead and order from there. There's a QR code on the paper, and I'll include that in a little bit. And then you have your coffees, your teas. That's the paper I was just talking to you guys about. So you can take a look here, and it's super simple. Just scan the QR code and go ahead and order. They also gave me some box of chocolate, so that's what you see in there, as well as some champagne. This is a little mini fridge they have. They have some waters for you to take, or champagne, as well as they have some teas, coffees. The only thing they didn't have was snacks, but they have plenty of snacks downstairs that you can purchase from. Just bring it on up. Alright, so this is the view outside of my window of the San Francisco International Airport. Now, keep in mind, at night it's really, really pretty because you can see the planes landing and taking off, and it's dark and you can just see the lights sparkling, so it just looks really nice. Now, I know most of you guys are thinking, wait, isn't it too loud if you're in the airport because of the airplanes taking off and landing? no, they did an excellent job of covering that sound, so you have no airport noises. I would have to give this hotel a 9 out of 10, and that's not just because I'm from the Bay Area, but this hotel really just did its thing. Okay, so that's it for the room tour. Let me take you downstairs to the restaurant that I showed you the aerial view of. Now you can either fly down the stairs this fast or take the elevator. Obviously I fast forward, but this here, y'all, is the Quail and Crane restaurant. Now this restaurant carries a little bit of everything, and by that I mean from charcuterie boards to baby kale Caesar salad to roasted chicken, and they even have smoked wings. Just a little bit of everything, I tell ya. On to the next, y'all. Now if you take the stairs or the elevator downstairs, you're gonna end up here. This is where you can also do your valet parking, as I showed you at the beginning of my video. And the next part is for all you fitness lovers. I'm going to show you their fitness center, so please follow me as I take you through their pretty equipped fitness center. And obviously you're going to need your key card to get in, since it's not open to the public and just for those staying at the Hyatt. And as soon as you get in, you see the refreshments, the towels, the earbuds, sanitation areas. They have the restrooms right there. There's also restrooms down the hall, which I'll show you in a minute. You got your treadmills, you got your Peloton bikes. For those of you who are super into that virtual trainer to give you that extra push you need, then they have the ellipticals, they have weightlifting machines, they have weights, they have everything that you possibly need in a gym. And then another hidden gem back here is the workout mirror. From Pilates to yoga, they have it all, folks. Alright, y'all, thanks for kicking in with your girl Drelo, baby. And as always, remember to subscribe, comment, and like. I'm out, y'all. Subscribe, people!